Hi everyone, today we're working on a 2006 Chevy HHR 2.2 liter. Customers concerned, check engine lights on. We found P0128 engine coolant temperature below the threshold, and I'll show you what I found out. First I'll show you where the thermostat goes. Here's the top, there's two bolts right here that hold it in. And those two bolts, here's the top of the housing, those two bolts go through there and there. And the upper part of the thermostat fits inside of there. Then the lower part of the thermostat, I'll put an extension down here so you can see where this hole is down here. That's where the thermostat spring part fits down inside this big valley inside of here is full of coolant, so your thermostat will fit in there. Okay, now the one we took out, and here's I took a picture of the code we had, P0128, and the engine coolant temperature below thermostat regulating temperature. So here's the old one. It's been in there for quite a while because the seal, you can see it just fell apart when it came off of it. And then there's another rubber seal up here that's falling apart. And when you look on the side of it, this round piece inside, you can see how it's all dull looking. It should look like that all the way around. Where it's all shiny here, where you can actually see where it's been scratching and scraping, that means it's been sticking. So here's our new one. You can see the rubber seals fit on it nice and good. The rubber inside of here is all secure. It's not falling apart like that one. And when you look around the inside like this, it's all the same finish. So if you're ever checking a thermostat, you want to check that finish and make sure it's all the same. And when you see those shiny grooved areas like that, all the way around like that, it's been sticking. And so when it's sticking, either open or closed, it can cause all kinds of problems. And when this case it's caused so the engine can't get warm enough because it's staying open too long or too much of the time. And sometimes it won't set it, but it's enough where it's causing a problem. So it's just a little tip from John Sadler. I want you to all see where that goes if you have this kind of model car, or if you've never seen a thermostat before. And the function of the thermostat is just like your home. If you want to set it to 74 degrees at night, or 72, whatever you want it at, then you just set up the wall to that. The same with the car. It's got that spring built in the bottom, and that controls the temperature. So when it gets to that certain temperature, that thermostat will open. As the temperature changes, it'll close and it'll reopen again. And that's what it's designed to do, just like you're furnishing your house. Thank you very much. Have a great day.